How to compose a melody. I think whenever you're composing, it's very important that you set very strict parameters for yourself to help you throughout the creative process. Most melodies are 8 measures or 16 measures long. Today what we're going to do is we're going to write an 8-measure melody together. A great melody needs to sound like one cohesive unit. And what I mean by that is that the first idea needs to be related to the second idea. They have to somehow be related. And the thing that is really going to help make them related is if you use a unifying rhythm. The rhythm is really going to help you make your melody that cohesive unit. So, when writing an 8-measure melody, what we're going to do for this example is we're going to have the first 2 measures have the same melody, the same rhythm as the 3rd and 4th measures. So the rhythm of the 1st and 2nd measure is going to be the same as the rhythm of the 3rd and 4th measure. The 5th through 8 measures is going to be very similar, but just slightly different. So we're basically going to have an idea that repeats almost 3 times. I'm just going to create a rhythm right now, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So say this is the steady beat. It sounds something like this if I came up with one. Ba ba da da. Ba ba da da. Ba ba da da. Ba 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 da ba ba ba. Let me say that one more time. So notice the 1st and 2nd measure has the same idea as the 3rd and 4th, and then the 5th through 8th measure is very similar but slightly different ending. Sounds something like this, maybe like ba ba da da, ba ba da da, ba ba da da, ba 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 da ba ba ba. This is what the rhythm actually looks like. If I was to say it, here's a steady beat. Notice how I have all the measures numbered. There's 8 measures for this. It'd be like do day do day, do day do day, do day do day, do day day do. Here it is one more time. Do day do day, do day do day, do day do day, do day day do. If you wanted to use the 4 counting system, it would be 1 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 3 4 1 2 and 3. As you can see, I have the B flat major scale written down below. And the reason I use the B flat major scale is most band songs for early bands are written in the B flat major scale. So for the following example, I'm going to write this song for middle school band, we'll say. I have all notes in the B flat major scale, and then I have one extra note, which is in between the 4th and the 5th scale degree, which is that E natural that I have circled. Remember, the rhythm for the last one was ba ba da da, ba ba da da, ba ba da da, ba 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 da. Ba, ba, ba. Now when writing a melody in general, you really want to move really more up and down the scale. You don't want a melody that's jumping all over the place. You really want a melody that's sliding up and down and moving what we call stepwise motion. Let me say that term again, stepwise motion. Alright, so I'm going to write a melody using only notes in the B flat major scale, and I'm going to have one note extra that is this sharp 4 or flat 5, which is the note in between 4 and 5. And here's the melody. I'll point to the notes as I do them. And the melody you'll see is mainly right up and down the major scale. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, and ba da da, ba da da. this again. 2, 1, 2, 3, and ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-ba-da-da, ba-ba-ba-da-da, ba-ba-da. Here it is. My next step is to figure out what the bass is going to be. And on this one, I think I want to hang on the B flat. It's got to start. It's a B flat major scale that we're using, so the first chord generally is B flat chord. So I'm just going to try and figure out what the bass is going to go with this. It's just hanging on the B flat, this bass that I'm going to use. And it's just going to go down in half steps. So once I have the melody and the bass line, then I'm going to try and fill out and figure out what some of the chords are going to be.